Are you looking for new ways to use up leftover rice? No worries, I got you covered. In today's video, I'm sharing another recipe with cooked rice. Today's recipe is rice with carrots. It's a simple side dish that goes perfectly with your favorite protein, and you can make it as quick as in 15 minutes. Hello, I am Nadia, and this is Nashi Food, where I teach you how to make Latin-inspired recipes at home. This recipe goes well with chicken, beef, or even seafood. It's also kids-friendly because my niece loves it. Stick to the end and I will share other flavors you can add to make this recipe a little bit different. You can always find the full measurements of the recipe in the description box below. Also, there is a link to a printable recipe in case you need it. Now let's get to cooking. In a big pot or a Dutch oven, let's heat up some of the sesame oil. Add the onions, the garlic, and the celery and sauté for about 3 minutes or until the garlic begins to become fragrant. Now, let's add the carrots. This ingredient will give your rice a yellowish color. And continue sautéing for about 3 minutes. Just make sure you keep on stirring. At this point, we're going to season our veggies with some salt. And now, let's add our last ingredient, the cooked rice. Mix everything together. And do this for about 5 minutes, stirring constantly. If the rice is too dry, you can add a splash of water that will help it loosen up. Cover your pot and let it steam until the rice has absorbed all this water. Now turn off the heat and fluff out the rice with carrots. And just serve it with your favorite protein. You can check out my video for maple Dijon pork chops that goes perfectly with this rice. Check out the link in the description below and I also linked it in the cards above. Now on to some flavor variations for this recipe. So if you would like to have it kind of fried rice, let's add some scrambled eggs. If you don't like it that way, you can also serve it with a big fried egg on top. If you want more texture, you can add some corn kernels. Also, you can add chopped cashews. And if you don't have cooked white rice on hand and you have brown rice, you can also use that. And there you have it. This quick and easy side dish, perfect for your lunch or any weeknight dinner. I hope you enjoyed today's video. And let me know in the comments, what are other ways you use leftover rice? I really enjoy learning other ways on how to use it. The full printable recipe is linked in my website, nashifood.com, and you can find also a link in the description box below. If you want to know another way on how to use leftover rice, check out the video here. Until then, keep sharing your love of food. Bye!